Hello guys, so today I'm putting the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 head-to-head with the iPhone 15 Pro Max to see which tools is perfect for you. On this day, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is most favorite tools for the vloggers. But again, there's a lot of content creators and vloggers using the iPhone 15 Pro Max. How about you? Which one you prefer, the Osmo Pocket 3 or the iPhone 15 Pro Max for your vlogging? DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max as two powerful tools for content creators or vloggers. So today's vlog guys, we will test both camera and mobile and camera, and let's see which one is perfect for you. So this is the sound quality or the audio or the sound quality direct from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 without any external microphone. So this is the built-in microphone on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is the sound quality of the built-in mic of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So again, this is the sound quality of the built-in microphone of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we're done testing the two camera. So the good thing for me, the good thing of DJI Osmo Pocket, you can easily convert from vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical. You have a D-lug. You have again a D-lug on this camera, and it's very smooth when you are walking while vlogging or taking video while walking. I think the Osmo Pocket is a best choice for that. So for the Osmo Pocket, you can easily also turn the camera from front to back. So while the mobile, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you need to use your front mobile if you're using on the front. Because if you're using the back camera, you don't know if you are in the frame or no. It's not easy, but you need the practice for that. About the audio quality, I like the iPhone 15 Pro Max rather than the DJI Osmo Pocket. And also, for in your iPhone 15 Pro Max, you have a cinematic mode. Direct, it will look cinematic, blur your background for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But the DJI Osmo Pocket, you have only the D-Lug. So if you want to color grade, if you have your own LUTs or preset of color, then you can use the D-Lug of the Osmo Pocket DJI. And about for the tracking, they have a good both camera or device have a good tracking. And yeah, for me, if you're happy already to your what mobile that you have, and if you want a vlogging camera, I prefer to go for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But again, if you don't, if you want to upgrade your mobile now, and if you want iPhone 15 Pro Max and use as your daily smartphone and also as a vlogging device, then go with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's also a very nice tools for your content and for vlogging. So I think that is for today's vlog, guys. Again, it's up to you which one you prefer, either the Osmo Pocket 3 or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So just comment down below, guys, which one you prefer. You will choose the Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI or go with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. By the way, both of this camera, it's amazing tools for your content and for vlogging. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is out of stock now, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check all the DJI products, visit our website, www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you, and andyan si Palaboy, nakaabang na. Say, dala-dala mo ba?
Please subscribe Palaboy OFW to my channel, this channel.
Asan yung channel mo? Dito, okay. Iya, mukanta naman ka siguro. Mabuhay!